Now let's go and learn how to use the system right here. So we've added demo123 phone number right here, as you can see now. Go ahead and click on the wrench right here and then click on save. Everything is started. So let's go ahead and dial this phone number from my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and dial it up. I'm gonna put it on speaker.
Your PBX system is ready. All you need to do is access the control panel.
So what happened is it's reading this right here. Let's go and change it up. So this is where you can modify it to say whatever you want. So we can change it to thank you for your call. Press 1 for sales. Press 2 for support. So we can add that here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on save. Now at the bottom, you can go ahead and add, if they don't do anything for, let's say 3 seconds, it can say, are you still there? We can add this. And if they press like 5 or 6, it's gonna say this is an invalid extension. Let's go and save it, okay? Let's go and try it one more time to see what it sounds like.
Thank you for your call. Press.
And as you can see, okay, it says press 1 for sale. Let's go and create these extensions. Let's go and click on 1. Now, once you click on 1, you can choose play a message, forward to a phone number, record a message, repeat a menu, or go to a previous menu or in the call. Usually, people will go ahead and forward it to a phone number. Press the country number, put your phone number. Like this. You can add multiple phone numbers here. So whenever somebody calls in, it's going to go ahead and presses 1. It's going to go ahead and call this number, okay? You can enable recording, and you can send the recording to your email by clicking right here. If you want to change the caller ID that's being called from, you can change the phone number here. If you leave it as is, it's just going to show this phone number here. Okay? Now, this right here. So your call is being redirected. Like that, okay? Save it. So that's pretty much it. Now let's go back here. If we wanted to create an extension number 2, we would click on number 2, and maybe this is a mailbox, so you could do this, right? Email at email.com. You can leave the max length, maybe this. Press hash after you are done. Like this. You can change all these things, okay? So these are just the messages that will read out. Let's go and click on save. So that's your mailbox. Let's go back to home. So what is these things on the right? So if you click on send a text like this, you can say, hey, go to google.com. So whenever somebody calls you, it can send a text instantly. Okay, that's option 1. Option number 2 here is, let's say somebody presses, press extension number 1, right? We can send a notification to your sales partner saying, hey, somebody's just called this. You can add the phone number +1 972 363 4457. You can add multiple phone numbers. So all of these phone numbers will get a text saying, hey, a phone number has just called and pressed 1. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's go back here. If you go to leads, you can see all these phone numbers which have called this number. Simple. You can also go ahead and add a name if it doesn't recognize it. Like this. And you have your conversation here. Let's go and click on this. Let's go and click on this. Let's go and type up this. Let's say hello. Let's go and send a message. And we can send a hello to that text. And as you'll see that this is right here. So they can also go ahead and respond back to you directly from here. So I responded back from here as well. Okay, very simple, very easy, as you can see. So I can type hi, right? And that person will also get it. I can say Bob. Okay, so you see how amazing this is, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your purchase and your trust in our company. I'll see you on the support if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day ahead.